Lesson 1, Pam's Surprise. We will read the lesson together. Keep pencil in your hand. We will underline the hard words which I have already underlined. Okay kids? So let's begin. Put finger where I am reading. Pam loved to play tricks on her friends. Tricks. Tricks means prank or joke as a fun form of entertainment. For her friend Jill's birthday, Pam found a special way to give Jill's presents. A week before the birthday, she went to Jill's house. Children, this is the story of two friends, Pam and Jill. Pam is a fun-loving girl and loves to play tricks on her friends. Children, everyone likes to give some gifts to their friends on their birthday. Similarly, Pam also liked it. So she decided to give her friend Jill as a surprise gift. Let us see how she plans the surprise. Jill, may I please borrow your dollhouse? Asked Pam. Underline borrow. Borrow means take something to use it for a short time and then give it back. So Pam is saying to Jill that, will you borrow me your dollhouse, please? Then Jill said, of course, why not? After a few days, Pam returned the dollhouse. However, along with the dollhouse, she also gave Jill another tiny dollhouse. Your dollhouse had a baby, said Pam. Now we are seeing that how Pam is trying to give some surprises. आपको पता है ना surprises? So what she is doing first? She went to Jill's house and she borrowed the dollhouse for some time. And when she was returning the dollhouse, along with that dollhouse, she also gave her a tiny little dollhouse. उसने जिल से एक डॉल हाउस लिया और जब वापस किया तो साथ में एक छोटा डॉल हाउस भी उसको दिया और बोला कि ये आपकी डॉल हाउस का बेबी है. आपकी डॉल हाउस के पास में एक बेबी था. जिल wondered, underline wondered. Wondered means thought about something, किसी चीज के बारे में सोचना. How a plastic doll house could have a baby? Jill was thinking that how is it possible that plastic dollhouse have a baby? How it could be? But she kept the tiny dollhouse as well. Now let us see what Pam is giving the next surprise to Jill. A few days later, Pam went to Jill again. May I please borrow your wooden bowl? She asked. Yes, you may, said Jill. Again few days later, Pam went to Jill's house and asked her, would you please borrow me a wooden bowl? Underline wooden. Wooden means a thing which is made of wood. जो चीज़ लकड़ी की बनी हुई होती है उसे हम wooden कहते हैं. This time she borrowed a वुडन बोल. बोल मीन्स कटोरी जिसमें आप घर पर जब खाना खाते हैं तो सब्जी रखकर खाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड बोल. यस यू मे, सेड जिल. जिल सेड यस यू कैन टेक द बोल. Pam thanked Jill and took the bowl home. Later she came back with a much bigger wooden bowl. "This is not the bowl I gave you," said Jill. "My bowl is smaller. You see, I put some biscuits in the bowl," said Pam. "It must have eaten the biscuits and grown bigger." Now, what happened next? Pam came back and she brought much more bigger wooden bowl. Then Jill is saying that this is not that bowl which I have given you. My bowl was small. Jill was surprised that she gave her a small bowl and Pam is returning bigger one. Then Pam replied, "I put some biscuits in the bowl. Maybe the bowl had eaten all the biscuits and grown bigger." Now children, what do you think? It can be possible that a thing which is made of wood can eat biscuits? No, it is not possible. But Jill kept the wooden bowl also. So students, we saw in this video that Pam gave Jill 2 surprises. But Pam has to give one more surprise. What is that? How she will give? We will read in the next video. Now your homework is read the lesson carefully. On Monday in live class, I will ask questions. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.